Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally going to be redoing my patio. So we're going furniture shopping, we are buying plants, and we are just going to make it the cutest, most coziest space that I just want to spend the most time in all summer. I'm so excited for you guys to see this transformation. It took me a good, I want to say 2 months, but here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video and this vlog. Let's go. Guys, we are currently on our way to go see if we can secure a patio set or just some more things for the patio today. I'm thinking of getting a carpet and then a little like one of those bistro sets from IKEA. So that is currently what we're on our way to go do, and just see if there's anything else that I like from IKEA as well. Because what is IKEA without getting some food to eat first? Okay, we really like this set, but I saw it in green, and that's kind of what I'm thinking for part of the outside. These mugs are really cute too. Currently kind of striking out. The rug that I wanted is not here, and the table set that I wanted, so I might just have to order both of them online because they are both completely out of stock right now. We are on the hunt for more patio things. You guys, look at this sky. I swear this is one of the only reasons why I live in the city, but absolutely makes my night. Every night, any night. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm ready to get started on the patio. I'm in a little grout fit. Step 1 today is to wash all the windows, mop up the floor outside, and then I'm gonna start putting together the like wood deck. Depending on how long that takes, I might move into starting to build some of the furniture for outside. But let's get this day 1 of finally putting together my patio started.
Drive a red Ferrari, yeah, till everybody knows my name. Hearts kiss while I'm sipping on coffee, yeah. I feel like I'm going insane, yeah. Picking up a couple of hotties, looking back and they all the same. Not to sound like I'm somebody heartless.
Mopping everything was step 1. That took almost an hour and a half. Now I'm gonna Windex all of the windows and just still try and get off another layer of dirt that has come from the Toronto, Canada winter. And I broke the Windex bottle. Of course I did. Okay, I think I kind of fixed it for the time being, so let's hope that this works because it's a brand new bottle.
Now they got me thinking, what am I saying? And I won't apologize that I'm living up my life while I'm going up 80 on a dash. And I don't seem to mind that I'm taking up my time, knowing all that it moves so fast. Well, daylight till the midnight, rooftops and the invite, showing off your tail lights, lean back cause you look fine. Wherever I go, I'm passing through. Had you on my mind, I thought you knew. Whatever I say or what I do was gonna bring it back to me and you. Now I'm bouncing, lemonade, sipping away. Empty on fuel while I'm running my place.
Alright, I just finished all of the decking. That was the most annoying thing ever to do. Highly do not recommend. It looks cute, but my wrists hurt, my low back hurts, and some of the things just did not want to stick together. Believe that this is the plant stand that I ordered, and then I have my bistro set chairs, and then the table is on the way, so I don't think I want to take those out yet, but I think I'm going to unpack this and maybe put it together and set it up. Okay, I know I just said I was going to build the other box, but instead I went downstairs and I picked up my patio set that has been sitting down there for a few days since I ordered it. And it is from Costway. Big thank you to Costway for sending this over, but I thought we would build this together. I'm trying to decide if I should build it in here and then take it outside, or just go and build it outside. I feel like maybe going and building it outside might be a better idea, just so then it's already out there and I don't have to try and get it through the door.
Staring while I'm looking up high, picking up skates so we late to my place, yeah. And you can't stop the motion that happens when I can't sit still. I feel like I could take some time off, but that just takes too much skill. Been cruising off waves, but I think I've been doing it for the thrill. Was down and good cause mom was at home while heating up on the daylight till the midnight rooftops and the
It is the next day. I finished building the bench. This was genuinely one of the hardest things that I put together. I ended up accidentally putting the wrong arm on the wrong side, but it is done and so worth it. So let's put on the cushions. My IKEA patio set is also here now, so I'm gonna bring that out too. I feel like it's just gonna tie the space together so well. Piece of furniture that I have to build and put out on my patio right now, and it's like this plant stand and it's black, and I'm not sure if it actually goes with the other stuff that I have out there now that I have it out there, but I'm gonna build it and see if I still want it or not, because I do want some sort of plant stand, but I don't know if this is the one. So I really like this and I think it's really cute, but I think for the space it might look a little bit crowded, so I think we're gonna search for something else. And then the next step for this space is to get a bunch of plants. I feel like I've always been a plant mom. Growing up, I always had plants in my room, so I don't know exactly what I'm looking for, but I'm thinking just going to a few garden centers and finding some cute ones. I already have some pots that I bought at HomeSense the other day. I have these that I bought at HomeSense. So there's 2 in here, 1, 2, and then I also got this little watering can, got these plain black ones, and this little white planter from IKEA. So this is what I have for planters so far. I feel like I still need a few more, but this is kind of the size of plants that we are going for. Alright you guys, it's time to finally do some of the finishing touches on my balcony. I bought some plants. I'm going to put them into little planters and like splice them around my balcony. I really originally wanted a little carpet for the bottom as well, and the one that I bought is just way too big, so it's just not going to end up going. So unless I find like a smaller one later on in the summer, I think that once these plants are planted, this is it for my balcony and it's all done. Alright you guys, here is the big patio reveal. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I think it looks really cute and cozy now, and it's just a space that I really want to spend a lot of time in.